Photoline is a registered trademark of Computer Insel, and I am in no way affiliated with Computer Insel. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about masks in Photoline. I'm going to come over here and select my rectangle lasso tool and drag it around my cat, and that's going to create that selection there. If I come down to the bottom left here, you'll see your mask options. If I select the Edit Mask at the top right there, that's going to take my selection, and where it's selected you'll be able to see, but everywhere else it's going to be green. What you can do here is you can come in and really fine-tune with the paintbrush where you want your selection to be. So I'm going to select the paintbrush, and in my colors I'm going to select black. And when I come over here, you'll notice instead of drawing black, it's drawing that green color inside of here. And I can do just the opposite with the white. If I select white and draw on the green, that's just going to get rid of the green. So what's going to happen now, when I unselect Edit Mask, it's going to take that mask and convert it back to the lasso there. If you select the Show Mask tool, you can just make that appear and disappear, and you can do the same thing with the Hide Show Lasso tool as well, as you can see. And up above that you've got your Use Mask, which you can use to turn on and off the ability to use your mask there. So that's how you can really come in and fine-tune your lasso selections using a mask.